Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll show you or I'll be showing you how to install new fonts to Figma. So the first thing you'll have to do is to open up your browser and type in figma.com/downloads. So I already have this page open, right? So the next thing you would have to do is to install the fonts installer right here. So I'll be installing the Windows installer. So just click on that and I've downloaded that. I'll go ahead and install. So just double click on that and install. So now I have that installed. Now just close. And the next thing we'll have to do is to get a custom font to install to Figma. So my favorite place for to get this font is the font, right? Like dafont.com. So we have that open. Now we're going to find any fonts that we will be installing, right? So I'll just go for sans serif. That is loading. Okay. So so on this platform, right, there are so many fonts, free fonts that you can install for personal use or for commercial use or public domain, right? So we're going to be filtering. So since what I'm looking for a free font, right? So I'm going to filter by free for personal, sorry, 100% free, right? And I want a font that I can use, you know, for projects or commercial use, right? So I'll be also selecting public domain fonts, right? That shows that I can be able to use that for anything, right? So just hit submit and okay. So we have a bunch of fonts right here and all of them are um free and public domain. So I'm going to install this Caviar Dreams, right? So let's check on Figma if that's available there. So let's see. Okay, we don't have that on Figma. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and download that. So just hit download. Okay, that has downloaded. All right. So the next thing I have to do is to install the fonts, right? So now I have, okay, so here it is. So just extract the font and I just extract the font and install. All right, just extract all. Okay, so let's just have a preview before I go ahead to install. Right, so you can see there's so many of them right here. So you can just hit install. Now that's installing. The installation is done. Let's go back to Figma, check out our font. All right. Okay. So sometimes you might notice that might notice after installation, you won't really find the fonts on Figma. So all you have to do is to reload the page. So let's just do that. Okay, so that's done. Let's check it out again. See. You can see the new font has been installed, Caviar Dreams, and it's new. It has this new tag right here. So you can just click on that and you can see the new font has been installed. So that's how to install new fonts to Figma. So if you're interested in learning product design, UI UX design, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified, right? So thanks for watching.